this video, we're going to cover your neck muscles. We have 5 main neck muscles we want to look at, and these muscles are going to help us to move our head and actually raise our shoulders and our arms. So they're going to help with that. And then we're going to look at our main back muscles that we want you to learn for the practical. All right, so let's start with this big muscle here that starts up right behind your ear that connects at the mastoid process, and it goes all the way down past your clavicle, and it connects also to your sternum, which is why it's called the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Very large neck muscle. So that one's pretty easy for us to memorize. And then we're going to look at these. These are a little bit deeper underneath the sternocleidomastoid. It's actually under the platysma, which is that cover muscle. And so these 4, I would suggest you kind of learn them in order from superior to more inferior. And so up here superior, you have the splenius capitis. Below that, we have the levator scapulae. So splenius capitis, levator scapulae, and then you have your scalenus muscles. And so the one here is the medius, and the one that is closer towards the front, even on the mannequin, is going to be closer to the front. It is the scalenus anterior. So this one's the anterior, this one's the medius, this levator scapulae, and then splenius, all with sternocleidomastoid. And again, this one's my favorite because it makes sense. That's the mastoid process, your clavicle, and down connecting to your sternum. So let's label it on the mannequin and on the note page that you have. So this, I have it blown up. So can you see this number 28? That's your sternocleidomastoid. Let's see how we want to write this. I'm going to put him over here so it'll be easier. So that is the sternocleidomastoid muscle. We won't make you put muscle after it. So the sternocleidomastoid, that's that large one there. All right, so then tucked away way up here, I don't know if you can see, but it's number 32 up here. So way up here, if you learn them in order, this is the splenius capitis. Okay, and then our next one here at number 31 is the levator scapulae, from the scapula. All right, and then we're coming down to number 30 here. That is the scalenus medius. And then we can't see it because this one's going across, and you're not required to learn this number 26, but it's right here. It's number 29. We will see it on this side over here. It's number 29. So it doesn't have a number on this side on the mannequin. It actually does have a number on that side, but it is number 29. It is more towards the front. We will look at it on the mannequin. That is the scalenus anterior. Okay, so those are our neck muscles, and so we are seeing here, and I didn't address it on the other thing. Let's back up and let's let you see that. You see, this is one of your back muscles. This is trapezius here, trapezius. So on this picture, you actually can see trapezius, which is your back muscle there. So, and it's called trapezius because it's making like a triangle shape. Trapezius.